Hey there, Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you run a business, you know how important employee feedback is. An employee engagement survey can go a long way for letting you gauge how employees feel about their jobs, so let's take a quick look at how to set one up. The first step is an important one. As well as having Gravity forms set up, you'll want to make sure you have the survey add-on installed and activated on your site. If you don't have it installed yet, don't worry. Simply head to the add-ons page to install and activate it. We'll want to next create the actual survey form. If we select New Form, we'll have the handy option to use the built-in survey template. Just give the form a name and click Use Template. Within the form editor, we can delete any fields we don't need, as well as modify existing fields to suit our needs. While you build your survey, you'll want to think about your goals and what you want to achieve with it. Is your business a great place to work? Do your employees have the necessary tools to succeed in their roles? These are the types of questions you want to keep in mind as you add survey fields. So with that line of thinking, I'm going to add some Likert survey fields that gauge how employees feel about their jobs and the company as a whole. You'll see that the survey template also includes a paragraph text box that lets employees give written feedback. It's a good idea to include this field so that your employees can voice their thoughts and give you personalized feedback about their jobs. Okay, so our employee engagement form is looking pretty good at this point, but it's a bit lengthy and might appear overwhelming for employees. Luckily, we can fix that by making it a multi-page form. With the page field, I can easily break this form into pages so that it's less daunting for my employees. I can also shorten the form using conditional logic. For instance, I'll use conditional logic to hide my paragraph text box and only have it appear when the employee states that they see room for improvement within the company. All that's left to do now is embed the survey and test it to make sure everything is working correctly before publishing the form. If I head to the entries page for my form, I can make sure that survey information is being captured properly. Then all that's left to do is hit publish and I'm good to go. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to sound off if you have any questions. And while you're here, why not subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video? Till next time.